These are my coconut shrimp. It smells fantastic. It only takes 10 minutes to make. Coconut shrimp. My wife Jennifer says that she could eat this 3 times a week. It's absolutely delicious, and this is very low carb. It's really good for a special occasion, to take to a party. We're going to have this as a weeknight meal, and it's very easy to make. I've got some shrimp. The recipe for this is below in the comments. I've got some extra large shrimp. These are Argentinian shrimps, and basically they've been deveined, and you take all of the shell off, but you leave the tail on like that. So I've got a bowl. I've got some Carbalose flour, 1/4 cup of Carbalose, some pepper, and some salt. And I'm just going to mix that up with my hands. There we go. I've got 2 beaten eggs. I've got some crushed pork rinds, and 3/4 cup of organic, unsweetened coconut. You can see what that looks like. And just mix that up with your hands. There we go. So we'll set up our little dipping station here. I'm going to turn this on to a medium heat. And because we're doing coconut shrimp, I'm using organic coconut oil. And it tastes like coconut too, so it's going to add a really nice flavor in there. I'm going to put probably close to 1/4 inch in the bottom. So we want to take a shrimp and put it into the flour mixture. Knock off the excess into the egg mixture, and then into the coconut mixture, and pack it in. And it'll look like that. And we'll just put it on a plate while this warms up. We're going to fry in batches. So I can see this is starting to smoke a little. Coconut oil has a really high burn point too. So I'm going to turn this down a little bit. I don't want it to burn. You want to just go to a nice golden brown. There's the sizzle. It's only going to take maybe a minute aside. I'll do this in 2 batches. Okay, I'm going to flip this. I suggest using ice tongs, or this is called a pigtail. And if you've never heard of one before, search it out on the internet, on Amazon or wherever. But you just basically go in with the little tip and just lift up. Yep, see, that's a nice golden brown right there. That's perfect. Temperature's good. There we go. Everything's all battered up. And I've got a little extra coconut mixture left. So why don't I try a double dip on this? Go back in. There, you can see how big that is now. Okay, these ones are cooked nicely. So I'm just going to put them on the plate. You can drain them on paper towel if you like, or you can make these up ahead of time and freeze them. Look at that. And I don't need any more oil. Looks like there's enough right there. So I'm going to put some more in now. The last batch. You don't want to overcrowd the pan. There we go. And we'll discard the rest of this. Watch your heat. You don't want it too brown. And I'll put some of them vertical like that. I like to leave the tails on as a handle. Serve this. I've tried doing like a shrimp sauce, but it calls for something a little bit sweeter. So I'm going to use a sugar-free Smucker's sugar-free orange marmalade. And in moderation, it's fine. It's sugar-free, and it makes a great dip. So I'll put some in a bowl, and we'll just dip into that. But there's my coconut shrimp. Virtually no carbs in that at all. Doesn't that look good? Thanks for watching.